India registered 6,535 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's COVID-19 tally to 1,45,380 on Tuesday. This includes 80,728 patients with the disease and 60,490 who have been treated and discharged, and 4,167 deaths. Worldwide, there are 5.49 million cases and 346,000 deaths due to the contagious infection. As many as 532 flights took to the skies in India on Monday, 2 months after a travel suspension had grounded all flights except for those transporting cargo and on other essential duty. Demand for non-metro routes is significantly higher than metro routes, with the Delhi-Patna route witnessing the highest number of bookings for the travel period between May 25th and May 31st, according to reports. Much of the demand for flights comes from those going to visit their homes or traveling for health-related procedures. The Indian Army has increased its presence in Uttarakhand following reports of a Chinese troop build-up in an area on their side of the line of actual control. This even as field-level talks to lower tensions along the line of actual control in Ladakh were happening but remain inconclusive. Meanwhile, in eastern Ladakh, the army has inducted additional troops and has enhanced round-the-clock surveillance of the LAC through UAVs. Union Minister D.V. Sadanand Gowda, who flew to Bengaluru from Delhi on Monday, didn't undergo the institutional quarantine mandatory for all flyers from 6 hotspot states. He claimed he had immunity granted by his ministership. He said he had exemption from quarantine as his pharma ministry was part of essential services. As controversy blew up, the Karnataka Health Department modified rules for quarantine, exempting ministers and government officers on duty. China has decided to evacuate from India its citizens, including students, tourists, and businessmen who are facing difficulties in the country and want to return in the wake of COVID-19. The Chinese embassy put out a notice on its website Monday asking those keen to return home to book tickets in special flights. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and NCP Chief Sharad Pawar met on Monday evening amid reports of a rift between the state's ruling allies. They are supposed to have had differences over the coronavirus crisis and a lockdown exit strategy. The state is worst hit by the pandemic in India. Reports say Sharad Pawar has been unhappy at Thackeray's reluctance to end the lockdown and actively explore his suggestions. Both parties say the virus crisis and its impact on the state was discussed at the meeting.